This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
You may be wondering how I got myself into this situation. Well, let's take it back a bit and start from the beginning. Hey everyone, Christian Hinton here with Tire Review. I'm with Kumho Tire at the Atlanta Motorsports Park in Atlanta, Georgia to test not one, not two, but 3 new tires in the Korean tire manufacturer's Ecsta UHP lineup. The Ecsta Sport All-Season PA71, the Ecsta Sport PS72, and the Ecsta Sport S PS72. It was the perfect opportunity to experience just how well Kumho's newest ultra-high-performance tires performed in a ton of different conditions. Each tire has a clear role in mind: the Ecsta Sport All-Season for balanced year-round capability, the Ecsta Sport for summer focus, control, and comfort, and the Sport S for max grip, high-performance thrill seekers. But more details on that in a moment. We went through a full range of testing modules like wet skid pad, autocross, and lead follow laps on the main test track. Each module was designed to push these UHP tires to the limit in real-world and on-the-track performance conditions. Each tire has performance sweet spots, and Kumho made sure we got to experience each one for ourselves. Let's start with the Ecsta Sport All-Season, Kumho's new go-to option for drivers who want all-season reliability with ultra-high performance characteristics. This tire really stood out during the wet skid pad module. Even in wet and slick conditions, the Ecsta Sport All-Season delivered consistent grip and control. No unexpected hydroplaning. See, the tires feature these 3D interlocking sipes and zigzag grooves to enhance snow and wet performance. That's a sales driver for those drivers who face snowy or rainy conditions on the regular like I do back in Ohio. Performance felt great, even when circling these cones or speeding up this hill in super wet conditions. That's thanks to Kumho's high grip tread compound, which includes next-gen polymers and grip resins combined with high dispersible silica. Good stuff, but yeah, you caught me. I have no idea what that means. Thankfully, during the ride and drive, I ran into Andy Wallner, a tire development engineer at Kumho Tire, to understand exactly how that advanced engineering translates to all the attributes drivers want in their tires.
Gives you very competitive performance, both for wet and dry traction. It gives you a very comfortable ride and noise, and then it gives you very good tread wear as well. So it's got that 50,000 mile warranty. It's really an excellent tire that it can compete with the Tier 1 competitors at a more affordable cost.
Wait, hold up. 50,000 mile warranty? Look, that's pretty good for any tire, but a UHP tire? That's next level right there. Moving on to the Ecsta Sport, Kumho says the summer UHP tire is designed to bring race-inspired performance to the road. This tire shined brightest during the autocross circuit. Not only did it feel quick to respond, but the 2016 Porsche Cayman GTS I tested this on felt super easy to control, even while performing these tight turns or in last-second braking zones. Kumho uses what it calls innovative compound technology that combines next-gen polymers with high-grip resins and silica for maximum cornering stability and braking performance. No wonder why these were able to handle these tight turns with so much ease, despite my face-melting speed. And I mean, just look at this tread. It's gorgeous. Kumho made these tires with wide, stiff outer shoulder blocks for high-speed stability and powerful cornering. Meanwhile, the inner grooves help with important safety features like water evacuation. That'll help reduce the risk of hydroplaning during those unexpected summer rain showers. An experience every owner of UHP tires has experienced, I assure you. Finally, let's talk about the Ecsta Sport S. Kumho says this summer UHP tire was built for drivers who want to push their high-performance vehicles to the limit. It's the most aggressive of the 3, with Y and parentheses Y speed ratings, indicating the tire is certified for speeds up to and over 186 miles per hour. Kumho says this tire was made with track use and motorsports in mind. The Ecsta Sport S features this cool-looking racing stripe down the tread, which Andy said was designed to show off a more premium, motorsport-inspired look. It may be subtle, but he says the stripe signals that this tire is designed for high-performance applications. We got to experience the Ecsta Sport S's capability on the road course during lead-follow sessions. And I gotta tell you, this tire put the Speed Racer theme song on repeat in my head. Go Speed Christian, go! They just felt tight and almost glued to the ground through the corners. Kumho says it tweaked both the compound and tread pattern compared to the Ecsta Sport for maximum grip and steering response. Now, the Ecsta Sport and the Ecsta Sport S have very similar names and are built for very similar customers. So how do you explain the difference to your customer? Well, I know a guy who can help answer that.
So there's some slight differences between those two, primarily compound and pattern. We made some adjustments from the Sport to the Sport S to give you really peak traction and grip, both in dry and wet, with, of course, a little bit of a trade-off in tread wear.
What ties all three tires together is the method with which they were developed. Using virtual modeling and AI testing, Andy says Kumho shortened its development cycle while focusing on performance goals.
The virtual development helps us improve our development cycles. We're able to do them in a shorter time frame. We're able to get to the target and improve the performance better than without it. It doesn't fully replace traditional physical tire testing and developing, but doing a lot of that virtual work up front really helps us to design tires more efficiently.
After a full day at the Atlanta Motorsports Park track, my takeaway is this. No matter what conditions or modules were thrown at us, I felt confident in these tires' ability to perform. Even in, we'll call them intense situations, like drifting at 50 miles per hour with another car drifting literally inches behind our own tail, I wasn't worried. To me, that's a testament to feeling firsthand how these tires performed during different modules. All three tires are available now, with sizes ranging from 16 to 22 inches and coverage for sedans, sports cars, and yes, electric vehicles. See the EV Ready logo right there? I can't thank Kumho Tire enough for letting me put these tires to the test in a demanding and, frankly, fun environment. Major props to Atlanta Motorsports Park for giving us the perfect proving ground to test these tires out as well. Look, I've talked enough. We want to hear from you. Do you have customers in mind for these tires? Are they asking for more ultra-high performance all-season or summer options? Let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and take care.